Hey guys, today we're going to be reviewing the Secret Jardin Oscillating Monkey Fan. As you can see here, this box has some lovely design on it. Well, it's not really design, it's just the product. But as you can see, it oscillates on the ball bearing, has an adjustable height, and it claims to be silent, which we'll be testing and I'll show you guys in a second. On the side you've got some more product information about the blade, the wind speed, and the clip size and the durability. Well, it comes with the monkey fan, clip, and also has a mounting attachment, which I don't know if it's there or not, but yeah. Now to open the box, let's look inside. Here we are, lovely packaging. I'll do this one-handed. And here we have it. Got the clip and the mounting attachment. Got the fan, you can see that little bit there where it oscillates, and a fairly lengthy power cord. Sounds good. Oh, there you go, and you've got the little toggle here to stop it from oscillating and to activate it. Looks pretty good. I'll show you guys what it looks like set up. Now guys, it's time to set it up. As you can see here, it comes with all of these little clips here. These are for fitting on the pole. This one here, which one's the smallest? This one here seems like it'll fit round it the best. And as you can see here, it just snaps on. So now we need to change this one on here for this one. As you can see, I've taken out the screw. This one just pops forward afterwards and should just slide on out. Like so. Had to take it off camera then to get some force behind it. And the other one, this is the smallest one, just checking, pops in like so. Bit more force, there you go. Don't want to snap it. Put the screw back in. And there you are. Mount. And you just get this behind here, like so. Yeah, on camera. Put this behind here, this little metal bit here, behind here. Pop it in, and there you go. Mounting bracket complete. Let's pop this bad boy on here. See, there's a little screw here. You just want to undo this, lefty loosey. There you go. It's actually on a bolt. Take this. As you can see here, it's got some screws at the bottom. Lines up with these holes. Pop that in. You know, maybe I should take the bracket off here. Learning along with you guys. There you go. Pop this in. And just screw it in. Maybe I should have done the other way around, but as I say, I'm learning with you guys here. Now to put the bracket in, set it up, and there you go. You can adjust it now. You just got to tie it up here to get the height. Now taking a closer look at it, as you can see, it moves up and down on this bracket here, and this bolt we just put in mounts to it with this little pole here to give it structure, and this clip here with all these other adjustable ones for different pole sizes. I don't know my exact one. I will write in the comments which one this is, but this is the smallest attachment here, so this works great. And this is usually the standard most poles are anyway, so it can only get bigger from there. And here we've got the power cord in, all plugged in and powered on. Let's take a look at the back. As you can see, it's got a high and a low mode, and it's right now in off. Let me turn it on. Let me pull out the oscillating pin here. Don't want it to start spinning on us. And there you go, put on the low setting. Not very as silent as it claimed to be, but performance is okay for the price I paid. Yeah, they put the manual in front of it. Not very scientific here, but as I say, this is a low budget piece of equipment here, so we put as much money as we can. Get on the back, put it in high. And there you are. Well, that definitely isn't silent. Let me try the piece of paper method again. Yeah, not very scientific. Put the oscillating mode on. And look at that spin. Lovely that is. See, I've got the bracket coming out as 45 degree as I can. It's not exactly, but as I say, we're not very scientific here or mathematical. But there you are. Decent price, great performance. I would say to buy for anyone starting out and don't want to pay a lot for basic equipment. I'll leave a link in my description for the product. Other than that, have a great day.